All right, today we'll be going through an example of a 2, 3, 4 tree. And we have two different problems here, question A and question B. So the first one's fairly straightforward. We want to see what the root value is after inserting 8. And we also want to see what the root value will be when we insert 42. But note, this is not in order, so we will be resetting the tree after each insertion. Okay, so starting with problem A, it's quite simple. So from my understanding, any of these little subtrees on this level can have a max element size of 3. So there's 1, 2, 3 different elements in these trees. So the tree only breaks when we try to add a fourth element here, and we need to do a few extra steps. So in this case, the 8, we can just insert it into this subtree here. And the way we select where the 8 goes is we start at the root section here, and we see which way we want to go from here. So we see that 8 is less than all of these values here. So we want to take this subtree. And then we want to just basically insert it here. So we can add an extra kind of area here. And then this becomes 1, 7, and then this is where our 8 will go. Cool. So I'm just going to, so I guess when you're actually answering the question, the root remains unchanged. So answer is something like 12, 35, 60. Cool. I'm just going to erase this layer. Oh, let's not do that. That's weird. I'll just rub it out. Okay, so I must have messed up the layers, but it shouldn't take too long. Bear with me. Okay, so now this part B is the trickier section. So we want to follow the same process of where we want to think about going. So if we compare the values in this root area here, we see that 42 is in between 35 and 60. So we want to follow this link down here. Sorry. I've drawn it pretty poorly, but it actually will follow into this one. This is where 42 will go. So it ends up in this little subarray or whatever you want to call it. So this, if we just add it directly, this becomes 36, 42, 44, and 57. So that kind of replaces this here. And then this doesn't satisfy our equation because this subtree is greater than 3. So we always promote the smallest of the middle values. So in this case, it's 42 here. So we promote 42 kind of up the tree. And then we split this into, I kind of rub this out here. And then this kind of link has 32, 44, 52. And then we're promoting the 42 up this way. So this root now becomes 12, 42, 35, and 60. And then same thing, sorry, they're out of order. 35, and this is where our 42 will go. So now we want to do the same thing. We want to promote the smallest of the middle values. So now our root becomes 35, and then we have 12 on this side, and then 42 and 60 on this side. And then, as long as it doesn't break our structure, we can just have all of these pointing to this new kind of child nodes here. So yeah, the answer for this one is just 35.